Hello friends, myself Karan Shah. I am a chartered accountant by profession and today I am here to discuss some important information on the upcoming IPO of PB Fintech, also known as Paisabazaar or Policybazaar, and the IPO is opening from 1st of November to 3rd of November. But before we move ahead in this video, we are going to cover some short brief about the company PB Fintech. What services does it provide, the objective behind the same, and information related to financials by which you will be able to get to know whether you should invest in the IPO or not. Ideally guys, PB Fintech is India's leading online platform for insurance and lending products. The company provides convenient access to insurance, credits and other financial products, but the main aim is to create awareness in India. What about the financial impact of death, disease and damages. So guys, in 2008, PB Fintech launched Policybazaar. Now you might be thinking or wondering what is basically Policybazaar and the objective behind the same. So friends, let me tell you, Policybazaar is an online platform for which consumers and insurance partners are allowed to buy and sell insurance products. Today 51 insurance partners offered over 340 terms, health, motor, home and travel insurance products on the Policybazaar platform as on March 2021. Guys, this is the latest data about the same. Also, Policybazaar was India's largest digital insurance marketplace with 93.4% of market share based on the numbers of policies sold in fiscal 2020. Also in the same year, 66% of all digital insurance sales in India by volume were transacted through Policybazaar. So now let us talk about the object of this IPO. Guys, basically ये IPO launch क्यों हुआ था? Now I will tell you about the same. जो IPO है उसके net proceeds total 5 parts में divide होने वाले हैं. Number 1 is 15,000 million. 15,000 million utilization towards enhancing visibility and awareness of company's brand, including but not limited to Policybazaar or Paisabazaar. New opportunities to expand company's consumer base, and for that the company is spending 3750 millions. And up next is funding towards strategic investments and acquisition, for which the company is utilizing 6,000 millions. And last but not the least, 3750 million towards expanding its presence outside India as well. And 5, and the most important, general corporate purposes. Moving ahead, now let's talk about the financials of the company. Guys, in 2019, PB Fintech was having an equity share capital of 0.38 millions, which was stagnant in March 2020. But in March 2021, the share capital has increased to 0.46 millions. Also, talking about the reserves and surplus of the company, in March 2019, the company was having reserves and surplus of 5,000 millions, which in 2020 increased to 12,600 millions. Also in 2021, March 2021, the reserves and surplus are right now at 19,900 millions, which you can see an increasing trend in terms of reserves and surplus. Also talking about the total assets of the company. Total assets of the company in March 2019 were 7,500 million, which in 2020 doubled to 15,700 millions. And at the current standing of financial year 2021, the total assets of the company are 23,300 millions. Talking about the total revenue of all the segments of PB Fintech. In 2019, revenue from operations, total revenue was 4,922 millions, which increased to 7,712 millions in March 2020. And at the current stage, 2021 financial year, the revenue from operations are 8,866 million. So guys, you can see from 4,900 millions to 7,700 millions and right now to 8,800 millions, which is a very good and a positive sign to invest in a company. Also talking about the profit and losses, the company is a loss-making company, but yes, the losses are getting decreased. In March 2019, the company was having a loss of 3,400 millions, which now decreased in 2020 to 3,000 millions. At the current standing in financial year 2021, the loss is just 1,500 millions. So guys, if you find this video to be informative and you think like the company is quite good in terms of financial performance as well, so do invest in the coming IPO. Also, before investing the same, do consult your financial advisors for it. Thank you.